This evaporation simulation is useful for comparing how surface area, temperature, wind, humidity, and air pressure change the rate at which water disappears from a container. Across the top, each colored slider changes one factor. Use play to run, next to step, store to keep a completed curve, reset to start again, and the display menu to focus on the diagram, the graph, or both. In the default case, watch the water level fall and the graph curve form together. The beaker gives the visual story, and the graph gives the evidence. Display modes change the teaching focus. Diagram is for the visual model, graph is for comparing rates, and both links picture and data. For fair tests, keep fix volume checked and press store after a run. That leaves a reference curve for the next case. Surface area is dramatic here. With a small surface area of 1 unit, the stored curve is much gentler. At 4 and especially 9 units, the slope becomes far steeper, so the water dries much sooner. Temperature is more moderate but still clear. 20 degrees evaporates slowest, 25 is in between, and 30 degrees is fastest. Students should notice that hotter surroundings steepen the graph. Wind shows the same comparison pattern. Low wind gives the slowest drop, medium wind speeds it up, and high wind produces the fastest loss because moving air carries water vapor away from the surface. Humidity reverses that story. Low humidity allows quick evaporation, medium humidity slows it, and high humidity slows it the most because the surrounding air is already holding more water vapor. Pressure can also be explored. Low pressure gives a faster curve, normal pressure sits in the middle, and high pressure is slower. Even if students find this less intuitive, the model makes the comparison visible. The next button is useful when learners need slower reasoning. Instead of watching the whole run, they can advance the simulation step by step and connect each movement to a point on the graph. At the bottom, the description and sample question turn the simulation into a worksheet or discussion task. Students can match containers to graph lines and justify their choice. That is what makes this simulation useful. Compare, explain, and predict.